Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Blessed forehead and eyebrows. It is narrated by Abu Huraira that Prophet ﷺ had blessed wide forehead. It is narrated by Hind bin Abi Hala that he ﷺ had blessed wide forehead, thin and long eyebrows which had gap between them, and where there was a vein which got bulging at the time of fury. It is narrated by Hind ibn Abi Hala that the blessed eyebrows of Allah's Messenger ﷺ were finely arched, thick and thin. Saad said that the Holy Prophet ﷺ had blessed and paramount wide forehead which was bright. It is narrated by Mother of Believers Aisha Siddiqa that I was spinning yarn and the Holy Prophet ﷺ was repairing his shoes. Suddenly, sweat began to flow from the blessed forehead of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, and light began to emerge from it. I was overwhelmed by this bewitching scene. Bahiki. Abi Qathama said that the Holy Prophet ﷺ had blessed paramount bright forehead which appeared after siding the hair. When it appeared or shine at night or his face was in front of people, the forehead looked thoroughly bright as the sun brightens. Bahiki, Shumail Tirmidhi. وما توفيقي إلا بالله.